Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 11 installation drive that you have on a USB. So all I have to do is bring this to a computer, plug it in, and restart my computer, and it's going to go through the process to install Windows 11. And it's very easy. You just have to click like English, and then you have to set up like Windows 11, the activation key. Otherwise, you can just skip it and do that later when you have everything set up, but you're going to have a watermark unless you had it before. So you just plug this in, and then you go through the startup process, and it's very easy. So on my home screen here, you can see I have my drive plugged in. The first thing we probably want to do is just format it. So I'm just going to unplug it and then plug it in. So I'm under File Explorer right now, and I'm under this PC. So if I look on the left here under Home, here's this PC. So just unplug it and then plug it back in, and you should be able to see your new drive pop up. So here's my D drive. I'm going to right click on it and go to Format. And then I'm just going to format NTFS. File System, NTFS, Format. I believe we need 8 gigabytes of free space. So I'm just going to remove everything off there. And make sure you're doing the correct drive. Otherwise, you're going to delete something very important. So it looks like this is formatted. I have enough space, at least 8 gigabytes, I believe. Then we want to go on over to just google.com. That's probably the easiest. And then we can do install Windows 11. And it's going to be this first link right here. Microsoft.com, download Windows 11. And at the top, you can see this is the direct URL, Microsoft.com/English software download something Windows 11. So that is how we get here. And we want to go down to the second option. Create Windows 11 installation media. So we can go to download now. And this is going to download rather quick because it's pretty small, the media creation tool. And this one's only 20 megabytes or megabits. I'm never sure. So let's go to this and open it up. Go to show in folder. And then we can just create a media creation tool thing right here. So let's open this up and go to yes when this opens. And let's see, it's on my other screen here. Let's get this. And it says getting a few things ready. So just wait a moment. Let's go through here and read it all, accept. Now, if you do have multiple hard drives when you're setting up Windows 11, I would highly suggest you unplug those other than the drive you want to format to Windows 11. So otherwise, you could be causing an issue where Windows is installing files onto a second or a third drive that you have, and that could create quite a bit of problem. So if you have the option, unplug everything else except the main drive you want to install Windows on. So here's English, use recommended PC settings, next. Then we have the option for USB flash drive. Let's do that. If you still have a DVD drive on your computer, I haven't had one for like 20 years, but let's go to next under USB flash drive. And then we got the removable drives here. So I had an external drive plugged in. I removed it already. So I only have my D drive right here. And I do have the other drive plugged in, like the Y drive. That's a NVMe SSD. I'll unplug that too later on. So let's go to next. And this is probably going to be the longest part, just waiting for this thing to download and then copy over. But once you have it copied over, it's very simple from there. You just plug it in, restart your computer, and then unplug all your other drives, and you should be good to go. So you might have to boot into BIOS as well and change the way that your hard drives boot once you have everything set up. And once you do that, you should be good to go. And it should just install Windows 11. And yeah, very easy from there. So I'm just watching the progress, and that's how you do it. So you shouldn't have too much problems from here on out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.